It gives me great pleasure to extend a warm welcome on behalf of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, which is celebrating the Swachhta Pakhwada from 1st to 15 June under the Swachh Bharat Mission. Swachh Bharat Mission, or the Clean India movement, is a campaign by the Government of India to clean our surroundings and infrastructure, especially in the more than 4,000 statutory cities and towns across the country. The campaign was officially launched by our Honorable Prime Minister on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat in New Delhi. It is indeed India's largest ever cleanliness drive with 3 million government employees engaged, school and college students and people from all walks of life from all parts of the country participating in the campaign. The prime mission or goal of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is to eliminate open defecation, conversion of insanitary toilets to flush toilets, eradicating manual scavenging and improving municipal solid waste management in the cities. The major components of the goal include construction of individual sanitary latrines for households below the poverty line, conversion of dry latrines into low-cost sanitary latrines, construction of exclusive village sanitary complexes for women, providing facilities for hand pumps, bathing, sanitation and washing, total sanitation of villages through the construction of drains, soak pits, solid and liquid waste disposal, intensive campaign for awareness generation and health and hygiene education. Our ministry has been celebrating this Swachhta Pakhwada over the last 3 years, whereas in this year I am happy to share that the Pakhwada has been organized from 1st to 15 June at a much larger scale and with wider participation of people from all walks of life. During the Swachhta Pakhwada, the ministry had drawn up programs to conduct cleanliness drives at various locations including public parks, market areas with emphasis on bring back waste, shramdan at parks, towns and villages, tree plantation and trash-free beaches. Details of all these activities which have been performed during the Pakhwada will be shared by our Additional Secretary in our presentation. The father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, believed that cleanliness is next to godliness. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji said, I quote, India can do it, people of India can do it, unquote. Having said all, we all need to follow their footprints. With this, I once again welcome you all in this mission and आइए चले एक और कदम स्वच्छता की